Thursday, the week after Easter. So kind of took a little bit of some time off last week. We still worked in the shop, but we kind of kept it low key, had a lot going on, family events, stuff like that. We've been full force back at it, trying to get the Silver Crown, the dirt Silver Crown, ready for Terre Haute this Sunday coming up for the Sumar Classic. So a lot of exciting stuff going on with that. We're going to try to fire the engine tonight and a few other things. But real quick, I kind of wanted to talk about something that is kind of exciting for any race car driver. A lot of the times we get new helmets every season, or depending on how many times a year you race, I get a new helmet every season. Now, I try to race 40, 50 times a year, so helmets wear out, things like that. I normally have to keep 2 on hand for my Silver Crown stuff, because in case we have a long red or something I need tear-offs, I just switch out helmets. I've got a new lid that just dropped in from Shell Shock. Noah, who does all my paint for the last 10 years, he's dropped a lid to me the last day or so. One of my sponsors that helps me tremendously through the year to get up and down the road. Another logistics company on top of, that's what we do. We're in logistics as well. They helped me get up and down the road, offered to paint me a lid for the year. And the deal was I wear the lid, and then at the end of the year, I trade it back into him and he puts it on his shelf. So it's kind of a trade-off deal. I've never ever given away any of my helmets. They're kind of like sacred to me. They're things that I keep. I've had a few people call and ask me if I want to give my helmets away. It's just really something I don't like to give away. I think when the day comes that I'm done racing, I'm still going to want to have my helmets to look at and say, man, you know, I ran this many miles on that thing, or raced this many races with that lid, and kind of tells a story. So today I'm going to unbox my newest helmet, kind of give you guys a show of it, and I thought it'd be some cool content, something different than us working on the cars. We've been getting rained out. Racing hasn't really taken off around here in the Midwest. It always rains. Sometimes we get lucky and it doesn't rain, or sometimes we'll get lucky and it doesn't rain the first race, and then it rains out all through the month of April. So I'm hoping this weekend we get it done at Terre Haute, but let's continue our process. I'm going to show you my new helmet. Stay tuned. Alright guys, as I told you, we were going to do an unboxing of this Shell Shock Arai GP7 lid. I haven't got to see this thing yet, so I'm pretty amped up about it. It's one of my favorite things, is opening up a brand new lid or a new race suit, getting to check it out, getting to put it on, and see what it's going to be like to wear a new lid for the year. I've been wearing Arai GP6s for the last 5 or 6 years, and then they're a Japan-based helmet company, and I think they're one of the best. I don't mess around when it comes to safety. I only wear the best. I believe that these Arai helmets are one of my favorites, most comfortable, best for aerodynamics in the open wheel cars, in which you see a lot of open wheel guys wearing them. So here we go. We're going to open her up straight from Nebraska, from Shell Shock Co. Let's see what we got here. It's got some bubble wrap in there. Tap this so I can see the screen. Okay. It's got the Arai covered bag on it for protection. Like I said, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, about 20 helmets. So it's going to add to the collection here. And I've got another one being painted too. So I figured y'all would kind of want to see this. This is kind of cool, something different. There's kind of a look at the front. Oh, so pretty badass. Matches the theme of my cars now, the black with the neon. And this company here, Spartan Transportation, Brian Rick, an old and good friend of mine, stepped up the last 2 years, and I'm not going to say what he's done for us, but he's done a lot for my race team. We also co-partner on some of our transportation moves, things like that. So super amped up about this. It's got the PED kit on it for aero, which we use. It's important in the Silver Crown cars, going over 150 miles per hour, which some of the tracks were going faster than that. Helps with drag and lift and things like that. So pretty dope. And you can see like the color combo is pretty awesome. I like neon bright helmets. This one's is darker than some of the ones I have, but man, Noah did a great job. It's pretty awesome. Spartan on the front. Pretty sick. Alright, so that's the unboxing of my brand new Arai GP7 helmet with the PED kit for air. Super amped up about this. Can't wait to throw it on, get my radio hooked in it for all my Silver Crown races for the pavement and dirt. I'll probably sport this one at the Hoosier 100, which is coming in 2 weeks. My first pavement race in a long time. So super excited about that. I've got another lid in the process of being made, and I'll do an unboxing on that too when we get to that point. But I figured this would be some cool content to show. I know it's kind of a short video, but trying to get some new stuff out there for you guys to see. That it's a little different than just working in the shop. It's been just raining so much, and it's hard to get good content when you're not driving the race car. So I thank you all. We're trying to grow this channel, trying to keep it going. Like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. And once again, here's one last look at my brand new helmet. Thanks guys, see you soon.